Up you come. Good boy. Come on. Well done. You pick the good bits. That's the way. Get those sunflower seeds. Good boy. That's the way. Get the sunflower seeds. They're the nice bits, aren't they? Yeah. They're nice. Uh-oh. We've got company. I don't think they'll come down. They're not nice like you. Yummo. Yummo. A couple of lorikeets keep zooming past. Not quite going to land. Here he comes. Here he comes. He's just not quite going to land. Hurry up before the lorikeets get here. No, they've gone. It's all yours. Good, isn't it? It's good, isn't it? I'm getting the saw back. Well, you're there enjoying all your sunflower seed. I'm getting sore. Make sure you take this back to your wife and kids. Oh, sorry. Come on, you're all right. I moved. My fault. Come on, back you come. That's the way. Pretty bold, isn't it, that I moved? Watch the hand, watch the skin. Yes. Okay, I'm going to have to move my hand. So I'm just going to put it down here. No, stay there. Stay there. Look. There you go. I'm getting the saw back. Now come back.